Me and Serena got all dolled up. Look how pretty she looks. I will be doing this at dinner.
It's a nice group reservation.
Look at the little rat thing. It's pretty freaking cool. You think I'll let it get close?
Oh god, it's gonna start raining. I just felt 2 raindrops on me.
Me and Sabina got all dolled up. Look at the little rat thing. Oh, it ran away. Anyway, me and Serena got all dolled up. We have reservations for a little special dinner tonight, which should be fun and fantastic.
We need to take 2 pictures at the fountain real quick.
We're gonna go take pretty pictures of us in our dresses. Look how pretty. What is that on your dress?
Water.
Oh, does scare me.
Fuck.
Yes, doesn't it show up in the picture? We're gonna go take pictures now before we get a little downpour. We're gonna go see a show tonight. Hola! We're gonna see a little show tonight. And yeah, so that's what's. Then YOLO! Then YOLO. Turned up for what?
I don't know.
I don't know.
There's nothing to turn down for.
We always we're turned up. So yeah, we're gonna take a couple pictures, look all beautiful. Serena, of course, looks always gorgeous.
Shut up.
And she put, I give her compliments, she tells me shut up, I love it. And she actually accessorized me today because it's one thing I never do. So I officially look like a girl today. It's fantastic. Yeah, you want to get a really nice picture of our resort? Look at that. Isn't that fucking gorgeous?
I think you already did this before.
No, you took the picture on your phone. I haven't showed you guys yet. Gorgeous. Alright, picture time. We will see you soon. The little rat thing's holding a coconut. Oh, he's trying to eat the coconut.
Oh my god, Sam. Why are you recording this?
Because the little rat thing's so cute. Little rat thing trying to eat the coconut. Okay, so I didn't record the calamari, but look how cool this little pattern is. Is it good?
Oh my god, I should have bought.
I told you. Oh, I'm so excited. I got pumpkin cauliflower soup. You got vegetable. Yours looks banging as well.
That's better.
Mine's better? Mine's better. And we also ordered some little cheeky, I always hold this set, some cheeky mojitos right here. Delicioso. And boom, in your face, mofo. What's yours? Oh, that's ice cream.
With the almonds in it.
Oh, it has a little butterfly. I got tiramisu.
And caramel.
And it looks phenomenal. And caramel. Oh yeah. That's an orgasmic face. So I tried the espresso, and I didn't realize how strong espressos were. I don't know, like Serena said she's had one before, and this one was pretty damn strong, right? Yeah. So we got, our lovely waiter brought us a shot of Bailey's. I put that in there, and now I don't even taste the strength, which is good and bad. I don't know how it's gonna affect me later, but we like. Oh, thank you. We like? We like? See? See, señorita? Well, that was delicious. And now we're done. And we're going back to the room. So you probably can't see me because it's super dark. But I'm on my way to get some seats at the show tonight. I changed, even though Serena didn't want to. And I'm gonna get some Wi-Fi, hopefully, which should be fun, because then I can actually have a conversation with people from home, besides paying 50 cents every text message. Fantastico. We leave in 2 days from today, so tomorrow is our last full day, and then we leave that morning, or the next morning, and then that will be it of our little vacation. Well, hopefully we have a fantastic next couple days, and I can even out my lobster-like skin, which would be very enjoyable. So see you soon.
Thank you.
So you remember when I said I wasn't gonna leave?
You took a picture. You look so hot.
I remember when I said I wasn't gonna leave the resort ever. I think this is number 4, right?
Yeah. This is
Well-
no, wait. Coco Bongo. Well, the pyramids don't count.
No, but the place going
church.
through.
So this is technically the 3rd time.
No, and then we went out and left the resort.
Oh, to walk. Yeah. Okay, so this is like the 4th time.
Okay.
5th time because we had the practice walk.
Oh yeah. Remember when I
Whoops.
said I was never gonna leave the resort? Well, that didn't make it past the first day.
We're in Playa del Carmen, downtown Playa, or not downtown. We're on 5th Avenue.
5th Avenue.
No, I lied. We're on 12th Avenue.
12th
It's the bar
Avenue?
scene.
Oh yeah, 5th Avenue is shopping, 12th Avenue is bar scene. And we're going to a foam party.
Whoa, what? First foam party ever?
What? Oh, me too! Yeah, so this should be fun. We will show you inside. Sabrina is having a fantastic time so far. Gracias. De nada. Holy fucking shit, man. It's crazy. Look at all that beautiful foam. We have so much fun. So we took a celebratory tequila shot. Sank right to my stomach. But look how fucking sick this is. Isn't that insane? You guys asked me why I'm vlogging right now. And I got a kamikaze every for the content. Very, very bad. We got a special drink for us. We're very, very happy. And yes, señoritas. gracias. Drinky. We're happy. I went through the foam. I feel like I accomplished something in life right now. Good. Happy. Hey guys, I'm home. Well, not home, like house, but like home hotel, and I need a really good shower. I'm pretty much covered in everything, and every little thing. Yeah, I ran through the foam thing, and I was just covered head to toe. I have probably still soap in my eyes. It's just everywhere. It's just everywhere and back again. But yeah, so we have to wake up in like 5 hours. Not even. I don't even know what time it is. Let me find out. We have to wake up in. Oh, it's 4:30 on the dot. Cool. We have to wake up in 5, 6, 7, 8, 3.5 hours. And we're gonna enjoy our day tomorrow. I'm gonna try to fix this horrendous tan I got going on, and just have a fucking good time. So I will see you guys in a couple of hours. Buenos noches, adios mi gentes, nos vamos.